Auto Advert website, just go to any browser and click on the search bar and type autoadvert.co. Here you will see the Auto Advert website. To create an account, we have to click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Just click on the sign up button and give all the details like first name, last name, email address, choose file for the profile picture, provide username, password, and click on the register. There you will see the success notification which says that your account has been created successfully. After successful creating the account, you will see this login to your account. If it doesn't show, don't worry, just go on the main menu and click on the login button here. So this will show up. Provide your username and password and click on the login button. Here you will see your home screen, your name and profile picture as well. And this is your home screen. You will see all the social media platforms here and you will see the button connect here as well. Home screen, you can see the multiple options here in the main menu. You can see the features, platforms, tools, resources. In the features, you will see the analytics of all your connected social media profiles, and you can also publish content on all the connected social media profiles. You can see the engage option as well to integrate multiple social media accounts, and you can also manage the central comments as well. In the platforms section, you can see the multiple social media profiles that you can easily integrate on Auto Advert. In the tools, you can see the calendar and event manager post schedule option as well, so that you can easily schedule your post. And here the resources. So to connect an account like Facebook, you have to click on the connect button. Just click on that and here you will see the success notification that will enable you to easily connect any Facebook account. Just click on the here link. After clicking on the here link, it will give you this screen which says login to your Facebook account. Just provide all the details, your email address and your password. Click on the login button. So if you have enabled any authentication in your Facebook app, it will ask you to complete that verification. Click on continue. And here you can see that we have successfully activated our Facebook profile on Auto Advert. You can easily connect your Instagram profile by clicking on this connect button. Click here to proceed further. As you can see, our Instagram profile has been successfully activated. So you can go to the features, publish, and here you can see the Facebook and Instagram as well. You can publish both, or you can publish to anyone as well. Select, write something, you can also select any image as well, and you can publish now or you can schedule it, and it will be posted directly to your Facebook and Instagram account. You can also see the analytics here. In the main menu, under the features section, you can click on the analytics and it will direct you to this page where you can see all your connected social media accounts. Right now I have two connected profiles, Facebook and Instagram. Click Facebook and on the business account page, and here there are two options for the general analytics and for the individual analytics. If you click on the general analytics, you can see the total engagements, total page clicks, total comments, total likes, total unlikes, total spams reports. You can easily see from the different range as you can see. You can also see the individual analytics of each post as well. After clicking on individual, here you can see all the posts of your page. Just click any of the post and here you will see total impressions, unique post impressions, paid post impressions, negative feedback, engaged users, unique organic post impressions, total organic post impressions, total unique negative feedbacks, total unique clicks, total like and reactions, total love reactions. You can also refresh it. Here you can see individual post analytics. You can also see the Instagram analytics as well and all other connected profiles that will be shown here. So after clicking Instagram, I have this connected business account, and here you will see the general analytics, total impressions, total reach, total profile views. You can also see the individual analytics of each post. Here you can see all the posts. You can click any of them and here you can see the total engagements, total impressions, total reach, total video views, total likes, total comments and total saves. So if your post has video posted on it, it will show the total video views as well. You can refresh it. You can go back as well. And you can click any other post to see that individual analytics. To schedule your post, go to the features section, click on the publish menu, write your content here. Click on the connected social media profiles that you want to post. You can also attach any picture. Click on the proceed button and then select schedule option here. It will ask you some description. After adding all the details, click on the proceed button and here you will see the success notification. To see the scheduled post, go to the tools and under tools select post scheduler, and here you will see your all scheduled posts with all the details. You can delete them or you can edit them, or I can delete as well. So moving towards the engage, you can engage different social media profiles by clicking on the connect button here, as I have already connected the Facebook and Instagram account. After moving towards central comments, you can click under the features section. Just click on the central comments, and here you will see all your connected social media profiles icon. Click on the Facebook and the account, and here you will see all the posts of this business account. Click any of them, and here you will see the edit reply option as well. Click on the central comments here to go back. Click on any post you like to add comment or edit and comment or delete a comment. Here you can see the comment section of each post. You can reply, you can edit, or you can delete that comment. In the tools section, you can see calendar and event manager option. Click on that. Here you can see the calendar, and you can add an event from the current date. So click on add the event, description, and here you can see that you have successfully created the event in the calendar option, and you can see all the details. You can delete that event or you can update that event as well. You can change the date or select any date you want. You can select year as well, and here you can easily add your events. You can easily log out from your account by clicking on your profile picture and select log out option. Click on the proceed to log out option, and here you will see that you have been successfully logged out from your account.